Welcome to the Bitcoin Crypto Daily News Podcast, your essential update for Wednesday, January 1st, 2026. Today, we're unpacking crypto's rough end to 2025, why institutions keep piling into Bitcoin and Ethereum despite price pain, and the latest ETF action that hints at shifting market sentiment. First up, Bitcoin closed out December with a sharp 22% drop, ending the quarter as one of its weakest since 2018. Ether fared even worse, slumping nearly 28% according to CoinGlass. The much-anticipated Santa rally fizzled, and instead, markets saw investors ditch risk, heavy selling, and thin holiday liquidity. Gold, meanwhile, hit fresh records as crypto traded more like a high-volatility tech stock than digital gold. All eyes are now on whether Bitcoin can hold its support in the new year, or if we're setting up for a deeper reset. Despite the price drop, institutions remain bullish. Michael Saylor's strategy wasn't deterred by falling prices. It bought over 22,000 Bitcoin in December alone, bringing its total Bitcoin holdings to over 670,000, or more than 3% of all coins in circulation. In Ethereum, Bitmain snapped up nearly $98 million worth of ETH in the last week of the year, staking it to earn more yield for shareholders. This comes as tax loss selling and quiet holiday trading put further pressure on prices, but it signals that big players still see long-term value. Finally, there's a bright spot as spot Bitcoin ETFs snapped a 7-day outflow streak, with U.S. funds pulling in $355 million in net inflows this week. BlackRock, ARK, and Fidelity all saw strong buying. Analysts say the reversal comes as global liquidity conditions improve and the Federal Reserve injects more cash into markets. Spot Ether ETFs also ended a 4-day outflow run, while XRP ETF inflows stretched to 30 straight days. This could hint at renewed risk appetite among both institutions and retail investors. To recap, December brought a tough finish for Bitcoin and Ether, but institutions kept buying big and ETF demand may be turning a corner along with global liquidity. Will crypto markets bounce back in 2026? Be sure to subscribe for daily updates and visit our full podcast notes at silklogic.ai. Thanks for tuning in to the Bitcoin Crypto Daily News Podcast. See you tomorrow.